What's up, guys? This is an Artic Leopard XE Pro S. I'm going to show you guys how to do the gear oil. You're going to want to get 80 weight 90 gear oil. You're going to want to have a little cup to measure it. This is 60 milliliters right here. You're going to use a number 4 Allen or whatever this is. You're going to use a syringe as well. You're going to need that to suck the oil out. So first of all, you're going to get these three screws right here. Let's get a little closer real quick. 1, 2, 3. It's pretty simple. Break it loose. I already broke it loose, so just got to take this off. Okay, so after you take the cover off, you're gonna pull this little plastic cover off. Alright, it's gonna be 3 total screws. Just put that right there on the ground. And you're gonna break this drain bolt loose right here. It's this one, right under this little sticker thing. You're gonna break that loose. It's gonna be a little oil that comes out. You're gonna grab your syringe and start just sucking all the old oil out. It's okay if it spills a little. If it spills a little, just clean it up with a rag, or if you got a brake cleaner, use that. That'll do the job as well. See, mine's leaking out because I overfilled mine last time, but I'm doing it the right way this time so I can show you guys what to do. So you get your syringe, you're gonna suck all the old oil out. Just like that, you see that? You put the old oil, you're gonna put it in your, just dump it, all the old oil right there. You just keep going until it's empty. Rag real quick, clean some of this up. Yeah, let me see right here. So I gotta keep going. It's not empty yet. Eventually, you're gonna possibly have to stand the bike to get the remaining oil out. Syringe makes this a lot easier than having to lean the bike over one way. Alright, so right here I am going to now stand the bike up so I can make sure I got the rest of the oil. So let's stand the bike up. Put the kickstand down for a minute. I'm going to get the remaining rest of the oil that's sitting on the bottom of the pan here. Yes. Okay, so what I pulled out was, let's see here, that's about 60 to 70 milliliters. The manual calls for 60, so we're gonna put 60 back in. So I'm gonna lean the bike back over, gently put it on the ground. We're gonna go grab the new syringe that we have. Be right there. All right. got a different syringe just so it's not super dirty. Put the fresh syringe on, the fresh oil. I'm gonna suck that shit into the syringe and put it all back into the gear oil right here. See the new oil, just gonna pump it right in. It's okay if this makes a little mess, it's pretty normal with these. You're just gonna keep going until you get everything in your cup. You want to do this about every, I'd say 800 to 1,000 miles on your bike. And definitely use a syringe, because if you don't, this shit is very messy. It's an extremely messy job. Okay, I'm coming down to the last of this oil right here. Keep a rag on you or a paper towel to clean up the mess as you go. This is not the cleanest job. That's pretty much it. 60 milliliters right there. You want to go ahead, your screw, you want to clean that up, make sure it's nice and clean. Screw it back on. Don't lose the O-ring that's on there. It's a little O-ring. Don't lose that. Let's see here. You want to tighten that back up, torque it back to spec, and then you want to grab a little brake cleaner if you have any old, dirty little stains in there. Just get a little brake cleaner. Clean all the old oil. Dries up quick, and that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Put the cover back on. That's it. Easy peasy.